So guys, you want to head over to search and type in create a restore point. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on system restore. If this is blanked out for you like it is for me, you might have a restore point right here which you have to configure and you have to turn it on. But if you did not have this in the first place, you want to click on create. And then you could just create a new restore point which will then appear here. And then you can turn it on like how I did in configure. You could also set how much disk space you want it to use. As the space fills up, all the restore points will be deleted to make room for new ones. I'm going to create a new restore point, I'm just going to call it speedy. Now that's been done. Now once you've made the restore point, you're going to click on system restore. Now you can go back to your system restore at any point in the future if you want, but for this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to do it right now. So I'm going to use the one that I made right now. So you want to click on next, and then you want to find the one that you want to use, you want to click on it, and if you want you can scan for affected programs, and you can see which programs might be affected by the time when you made the system restore and the new programs that you've installed since you made it. So if you're happy with that, you want to click on next, and then you want to click on finish. Make sure that you have nothing running right now and that everything is saved because this cannot be interrupted, and then click on yes. Now it's going to restore our system. This might take a while. And now you want to let this load. This might take a while. I'm just going to fast forward this. And now we are back on Windows with our new restore point. You want to sign in and then everything should be working perfectly.